Smoked salmon roll with cream cheese, shrimp, and herbs. You're gonna need 4-ounce pack of salmon at least, green onions and dill, salad shrimps, and cream cheese whole pack. Cucumber just for decoration. Step 1. Thaw your shrimps and squeeze the water out of them. I decided to chop mine on a carving board a little bit, but you don't have to. Salad shrimps are pretty small. And put as much as you can the strong herbs like dill and also a liberal amount of green onions. Smell and taste of smoked salmon needs to be matched with something strong, right? And cream cheese going into the microwave for 30 seconds. Then you mix this all. You can buy Philadelphia smoked salmon cheese pack, but it has 14 grams of sugars per pack. And this is a keto-friendly channel. I do all the research for you. You just follow the recipe, and that's the deal. So we went with regular cream cheese. Arrange the fish in one layer, and if there is a little hole, you just patch it with another slice of fish. That's how you stuff it, and then you roll it. After you roll it, you put it overnight into the refrigerator. Then they will be super easy to cut. I kept mine in the freezer for 2 hours. And they were easy to cut. I would say they were even crunchy when you were cutting them. The best slice thickness is 1/2 inch, not more. I tasted mine. Actually, I had 2 pieces while they were still frozen, and they tasted like that mermaid. When they achieved room temperature, they were salmony and creamy, just like intended. Alright, this is your smoked salmon rolls. Have a nice day.